Hey boys and girls, we are going to be working on taking a fraction and turning that into a percent. Now to do that, we will use equivalent fractions or equivalent ratios. We've done this before. Basically what you have is you have 1/4 and you want to turn that into a fraction over 100. Now to do that, we know that you have to do something to the bottom, but if you do that to the bottom, like you're gonna have to multiply 4 times something to get 100, you're gonna have to do the same to the top, and that's gonna give you the fraction that you can easily turn into a percent. So 4 times what equals 100? I'm gonna think back to money. I know that 4 quarters make $1. $1 is 100 cents. So 4 times 25 equals 100. So I did 4 and I multiplied that by 25 to get 100 here. So that means I have to take 1 and multiply it by the same thing. So 1 times 25 gives me 25. So 25 over 100, that's fairly easy to do. That's basically just, right, because it's a percent, and the percent is out of 100. It is 25 out of 100, so it is 25%. All right, guys, let's do another. All right, this fraction is 3 over 5. And again, we're going to have to do the same thing. We're going to be using equivalent ratios, so we need to get something over 100, right, so it can be changed easily into a percent. So I know that 5 multiplied by a number gives me 100, and I have to also multiply that 3 by the same number, because I got to do the same to the top as I do to the bottom to have an equivalent ratio. So 5 times what gives me 100? 5 times 20, actually. So 5 times 20 gives me 100, because 5 times 2 is 10. Then I put the 0 on the end of that 10 to give me 100. So 5 times 20 is 100. So now I have to take that 3 and I have to multiply that by 20 as well. That looks like a 26. Let me erase that. Clean that up a little bit. All right, so that's a 20. 3 times 20. Well, I know 3 times 2 is 6. And just bring that 0 down and add it to it. So 3 times 20 is 60. This is pretty easy. 60 over 100. Remember, percent is per 100, so that's 60 out of 100. So that would be 60%. All right, guys, let's do another. This one, we're going to do 9 out of 20. I know that looks a little bit like a 4, so let me get rid of that. There we go. So 9 over 20. We're going to use equivalent ratios again. Remember, we're trying to get to 100, right? So we're going to have to get a number over 100. So 20 times a number gives me 100. I have to multiply that same number by 9 as well, so I can have an equivalent ratio or equivalent fraction. So 20 times 5 is 100, right? Because 2 times 5 is 10. And add that 0 on the end of it is 100. So now I have to do 9 times 5 as well, which is 45. 45 over 100 is 45%. All right, guys, that's it. You have a reteach a math worksheet for percents and fractions to work on. It's only about 12 problems. You'll see some of them are pretty easy, so it shouldn't take you too long. And when you're done, just upload me the completed work and have a great weekend. All right, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.